Hi friends, welcome to our show. So today it is the 47th episode in the Head series. So today we're going to explore a website called thetruesizeof.com. So this shows let's all zoom in quickly. So first we should delete all of this. Okay. So first we take let's take Turkey. So normally we can't actually show take the surface of any sphere and make it into a normal 2D shape. Yes, we can't make it. That means every world map you have ever seen is technically inaccurate, except if it is a sphere like a globe. Yes, this is the Mercator projection. So if any country is higher in altitude, more northern, then the size would be bigger in the map, while if it is more closer to the equator, it would be just the same size, while even if it is more south, it would be ginormous. So like that. So first, if we take the example of Turkey here, so we can search here and the country will come. Not just countries, any other thing will also come. Not everything, but okay. So we take Turkey. Now it drastically decreased in size from up here to down here. While again, if we take it up, and now this time we take it to Greenland, it is now ginormous. So this is the actual size compared to the Sweden in the map here. And again, if we take Sweden here and we take it to Turkey, it is now pretty small. So this is how this website works. So first let's once experiment with Russia. So how small it would be. So okay, so this is a pretty large country if we see from here. Then down. Yeah, it is. So if we tilt it like this, so we can fit Russia here. Yes, if we look from here, then if we look on a normal map, the normal map projection, Russia would look like almost 2 times bigger than Africa, but actually it is just 1.5 times smaller than Africa. See the comparison here. Its width is the same as the width is the same as the width of Africa. Yes. So the length of Africa. Yes. So this is a pretty large. Okay, next let's delete this. So next let's see Canada. Okay, we got Canada here. And now again, if we take it down to the equator, it looks like the size of Brazil. And now if we take it up here again, it's 2 times smaller than Russia. So next we take the USA. United, I should write the full name. Contiguous means the states which are on the mainland. Why did I get UK? Wait, now we're going to go to the United States, not the kingdom. So here is the United States with all of its great glory. So now we take it down here. Now it is the exact size of Brazil to see. Even if we include Alaska, it would be the exact size, I think. So next let's take China. Now this guy looks pretty big compared to the USA, but contiguous USA, because it is larger than the contiguous USA. But now if we take it to Brazil, it is now pretty small. And again, now let's write Brazil. So there is not that much of a difference in size. But again, if we take Brazil to China, and again if we take Brazil to here, this is very ginormous. It reaches up here from Norway to Libya. Yes, that is pretty large. And even from Iceland to almost touching Mauritania. Yes, yeah, it touches both of them. Again in one country. Yes. So next we take Australia. So now let's see how looks over, the continent of Europe. So it's the island of Victoria is on Libya, mostly on Libya. Next, the mainland stretches from Portugal to the north regions of Norway and Finland. Yes. Wow, that is pretty large. So next is India. So now India, if we cover all over the continent of Europe, then it is pretty big. So we should rotate this. No need for rotating there. So now it stretches from Iceland up here to again Portugal, almost touching Portugal. It barely touches Portugal. It's like some kilometers away from the capital of Portugal, Lisbon. Yes, and even it stretches up to this island of Sweden. Yes. So next is Argentina. So here we have Argentina. So next, it is pretty large. So it stretches from Algeria to even Iceland if you want to. But I think we gotta tell this. I think it reached Iceland. Yes. So it is. These countries are pretty large than you even expected on the world map. Next is Kazakhstan. So this is also a pretty big country. So this country stretches from the UK up here to the Caucasus states. It almost reaches them, but it takes over the Crimean Peninsula. Yes. So then finally is Algeria. Yes. So now if we put it over Europe, then this one is pretty small, but still it takes a lot of land. Yes. So it encompasses all of France, Germany, Poland, I think. Yes. So next Sweden. So from the southern tip of Sweden to the island of Sicily and even Greece a bit. Yes. So yeah, very great. So next some other honorable mentions. So first is Chile. So if we take Chile, then if we put it here, then so Chile is very long. Yes. So it can almost cross the entire Atlantic Ocean here. Yes. So yeah, there is like a small strait here, but that's no problem because it stretches from here the country of Guinea to Brazil. Yes. So yeah, that is impressive. So next is what countries are there left? Yes, Indonesia is another honorable mention. So if we go up here, it has the same width of the entire United States of America. Yes, and even there's still place. It is still more wider than the USA. Yes, why are these ads everywhere? So, so yeah. Next, another honorable mention. So yeah, if we see Greenland on this normal projection, it looks like 2000 times the size of Africa. Not exactly 2000, but still pretty big. So now if we take Greenland and now overlay on Africa, actually 14 Greenlands can fit on the whole surface area of Africa. Yes, so sad for them. And here, literally Antarctica is ginormous. And the map, infinity. The map is infinite. The first time I'm releasing this. Okay. And we gonna even go to space, but no, not for now. So now first, if we take the Antarctica, and you think, wow, this is very huge, and And now this is the most depressing thing in the whole world. Yes, it is like the size of pretty much Russia. And last and finally, I'm going to show how many countries can fit in Russia in total. So first India, I guess. I'm guessing all of this. So if we like tilt it, so I think it can't be fit too much. So next Algeria. Algeria. Can you fit in this country? Yes, this he can. Next, if we fit Mongolia. Yes, he can fit. Next, we can 100% fit a million Vatican cities, but I can't do that now. Yes. So next, Kazakhstan. Yes, Kazakhstan's there and it's ready to shine. It is pretty hard to put it in a normal position, so that's why. Yeah, that's easy. And none of these touch the water except Mongolia. Now it doesn't even touch anything. Touch water. And just some. Okay, that's little water. So next, let's take a country like Ukraine, which it is in a war with. So sad. So next we can fit Ukraine easily in this part. And yeah. Okay. So next we can include Japan, the land of the rising sun. And also another honorable mention. Japan is the same height of the contiguous US states. Yes. Because of these southern islands down here, it is almost the same height. So I think it can't fit in Russia. So next let's take Turkey. They're pretty straight. So yeah. Okay. So I think we can't fit all of them in one video. So and still, let's do some more honorable mentions. So let's take Iceland, the country which is very icy, literally. Yes. So next, if we take it to the tiny country of Malta, where are you? Yes, Malta. Let's take this guy. So Malta is like some 30 times smaller than Iceland, but still it has many times more than the population of, guess it, Iceland. Yes. So yeah. Next. Okay. So next is, let's take Kazakhstan, and also let's take another country like Japan. So Japan is smaller than Kazakhstan, but still Kazakhstan has just like 20 million people in, because it's a desert, literally. While Japan has a lot of population, more than 100 million. Yes. So yeah, the size difference is pretty much little, but I mean, the size difference doesn't mostly matter because it's just for the size. Size doesn't mostly matter for anything except for some countries, like this boy here. So, and population matters here because if there's more population, more people can join the any army. So next, some more honorable mentions is we take Australia. It's not like honorable mentions, I think. It's still not that. So next, if we take Taiwan, come Taiwan. See, look at this comparison. Taiwan is the same size of the island of Tasmania, but still, its population is almost the population of Australia. Yes. So yeah, and any more comparisons? I'm searching for more, and there are. Okay, so I think this is enough for today. So yeah, this is for today about the true size of exploring the true size of .com. Yes, you can also go, and it is pretty good. It is also free, and it is in, I think, many websites. I mean browsers. So yeah, bye.